Hi, my name is Zhengquan Chen, and my app is called Routine Books. So for Routine Books, it's a app that will capture all your routines and record whatever you want to do in this app. So for this course, we try to build an app that can make user to stay in the app and be addicted to it. So I think getting the routine and changing a person's behavior is the most addictive thing to do. So for this app, the first page we see is like this. We have the text, the title for here, and we have two buttons. The first button is called routine. Second one is called records. Below that, you will see a text box, and you can input right here. When you click on save, it will save all whatever you want to say and whatever you want to record. And next to the save button, there's a speech to text button. So when you click on this speech to text button, it will transfer everything you say to text in here. And also, when you click on save, it will save it for you. I will go back to this record function later. So first, let's take a look at the routines right here. The routine, when you click on the routine, we jump to another page right here. So this routine is just basically capture everything you do. First of all, when you wake up, for the first thing you want to do in this the day, we want to say, oh, I want to eat. So you want to click on the eat button. So we start counting eat. Like for example, if you start at 8, you click on this button, it will start. They will remember it start at 8. So we just keep counting. When you reach to 8:30, you're still eating, and here eat will have 30 on this data. The rest of them is gonna be 0. So next thing after you eat, you want to go to work, and you click on work, and then it will capture 30 minutes for eating, and we start counting the work minute. So the end of the day, you have everything you want to capture, starting from the moment that you wake up to the end of the day. And then this is the state of what you're doing right now. In case you click on too many times, yeah, just make sure you know what you're doing. So at the end of the day, after you click on everything, and you will have this data right here, so you can read, you can keep it somewhere for your data analyst. So when you click back to the main page right here, and we see record. When you click on record, we jump to this page. Because in the main page right here, every time you save the record, we go to the data from here, which is this page. This page, let's ignore this part first. Let's talk about all the notes that you collect from this function. Yeah, you save everything. It will come here and make a list of every node that you create. Yeah, this is the function of this page, but there's an additional feature of this page is, for example, if you want to make a good behavior, for example, this one, how many times that you smile to a person a day, or how many times you want to speak to another person actively, like, oh, I'm shy, so I want to talk to somebody every day to make a better behavior. Or exercising, like every day you wake up and you first thing you do is you push up 20 times, and at the end of the day you do another push up. So you will have to right here. In order to record everything, you have to click on the go to the app right here, tap this button, come to this one. If I talk to a person, I'll click on here, the number will increase by 1. If I smile to somebody, and I'll just click on it, and just to record the whole day's activity. And for this question mark, you can create it whatever you want just to build a better habit for yourself. So overall, this is the whole app, and you will see what you do, your daily routine, what your habits building process, what you want to think, and what you want to remember during the day. And this is a sensor, important sensor you can build in this app. So basically, this is a really addictive app because you will always come back to this app to tap. Otherwise, you will forget or miscalculated the minutes for this, all the action from here. So eventually, a person will always come to this app and click remember everything and then compare the data from yesterday. So to build a better habit, based on the data they have, for example, they play a lot, they play games a lot right here. So the game may be like 300 minutes, which is 5 hours. So they want to build like, oh, I want to have more exercise. So they will personally come to this page to set up whatever they want to avoid this bad habit from here, the gaming habit. So yeah, I think this is really good exercise for building a habit, not only monitoring and also changing actively. Yeah, if you're a writer, if you are somebody that doing creative job, and you just suddenly think about some idea, a good art piece, you just come to this app quickly, press this one, and then you record everything you want to say and just save it. Because you might drive, you might be driving, you might be like rushing for something else, but there's something come up in your mind, record in here, come back here, look at your routine, behavior, and all the notes that you have. So it's really good habit to build as a person, not only for young age student or age student, but also the young professional. So that's the app that I want to build. It's called Routine Books. Thank you so much.